everybody, and welcome to October's session of Mad Scientist. Today, we are going to make a rubber egg that will bounce. Can't bounce it too much or it will break. But what we're going to do is we're going to take an egg, put it in this jar, and put in distilled white vinegar. Put the egg in the vinegar, and in 2 days the shell will be completely gone. The acid in the vinegar will eat the shell off and make the white on the inside partially rubberized. So, and since I like the color blue, I have decided that I'm going to dye my egg blue. So I put about 4 drops. We'll see if that's enough. I'm going to put my vinegar in there. Nice and blue. Oh, that ought to be great. And then I'm going to take my egg and very gently place it. You cannot use an egg that has a crack of any type in it. So just make sure you put it in there carefully. I'm only going to leave my lid partially closed like this because what's going to happen is the vinegar eats away at the shell. We're going to get carbon dioxide. If I tried to close it, I'd have an explosion. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And we're going to leave it like this for 2 days. I'm going to take pictures during the 2 days to show you what is happening. So, let me give you a close-up view, and then I'll see you in a couple of days. There's the close-up view of the egg in the blue vinegar. Can't wait to see what happens. Well, hello everybody, and well, I have taken the egg out of the vinegar, and as you can see, there is no shell left. Only problem is, we found out the library is reopening, yay! But Mr. Butch forgot about it. So, we're going to see if it'll bounce or not. I have a horrible feeling it might break because it's been in there longer than the 2 days. But let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it bounces. But you can't do it from too high, or supposedly it will, ta-da, break. And this is the part that was on the outside. It made a thin skin. So, get your mom and dad to help and make yourself a rubber egg. But remember, if you bounce it from too high, this is what happens. Y'all take care until next Mad Scientist.